You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce these names correctly? We'll be looking at how to say more confusing names, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel, become part of the community. Loads to learn here. Landon is how it's said in French, if you're wondering. In English, Landon, Landon, Landon or Landon. And now you know more videos for you here. To learn more, stay tuned, subscribe, like the video. It helps. Thank you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.